Everybody, Chef Doug here from the Chef Doug's Gourmet Foods, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making funnel cakes. It's an all-American favorite. You usually get it at festivals, carnivals, baseball fields, even at the side of the road sometimes. But what we're going to be doing today is showing you how simple this is. It's basically a confectionery. It's a cake-like batter that's going to be deep fried, and this is usually done after your preparation of getting the batter together in about 3 to 5 minutes. So what we've got here is we've got a large skillet with about 1.5 inches of vegetable oil that's been preheated. We've got it up to about 375, 380. We've got our funnel cake batter in a funnel cake, and I bought my funnel at Big Lots. And we've got our powdered sugar, and we've got a plate with a napkin for draining. And this is all the mise en place that we're going to need for this operation, and of course I've got some tongs. So what we're going to do right now here is I've got my batter in here already. It's already been made. We're going to go ahead and begin the process, the cooking process here. And what you want to do is you just want to pour your batter really slow and stay very close, and you want to go slowly and create a ring or a circle, and that's the first one. And then what you do is you just make funnels or drizzles or little designs with your batter on the inside of it, and this is what's going to make the funnel design that is so popular. So we're going to set that down there. This happens fairly quickly, so it's not going to cook for long, but if you can tell, it's going to start browning very, very quickly. And what we do is if it sticks to the bottom, depending on how old or new your skillet is, or if it's non-stick, you just kind of help it along, move it around. But you can see that golden color or texture that's happening. So we're going to just continue cooking this for a while. We're going to get it browned on one side. Once it begins to brown on one side, what we're going to do is we're going to gently try to pick that up, and we're going to try to flip it. Be careful. Slowly turn it over, and the reason for that is just so you don't burn yourself. This is extremely hot grease. Now, in the festivals or the commercially made ones, they usually have a metal ring that's in the pot, so it's not, it's more uniformed, and that's the reason why I take a slow pour around it, because I don't have a ring, and that actually holds my funnel together. So this is my fix-it to making my funnel cakes without the ring. Okay, so this is going to be ready in about 3 minutes. There's so many different toppings that you can put on this. It's normally eaten with confectionery or powdered sugar, which is what we're going to do today. But you can do so many things. You can put a fruit compote on there, whipped cream, drizzle, chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, cherry filling, pie filling, apple filling. There's so many things that you can do with this to personalize it and make it your own. Well, we're right where we need to be right now, so we're going to go ahead and try to get up underneath this. I try to get as much as I can. Pick that up, just let it drain for a second, get all this off of here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my plate with my napkin, and I'm just going to lay that down there, okay? Isn't that beautiful? And then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and coat it with that powdered sugar that we talked about, a couple of dust on there, okay? And you can put as much as you like on there. I don't like too much. And this is no way by any means healthy, but it sure is good. So there you have it, funnel cake. Enjoy.